Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account and a modern browser. Enable two-step verification now so you can automate safely. First, create a few top-level labels for active projects and one archive label. This gives structure and reduces decision fatigue. Then build filters that match senders, subjects, or keywords to auto-label, archive, or apply a star. Once done, new mail is sorted immediately. Make sure filters use skip inbox only when you truly won't need to triage those messages. Now refine how you handle messages so daily triage is predictable. Use advanced search operators like from, has, attachment, and newer than to locate and bulk edit messages quickly. Apply labels or delete in batches. Create templates for recurring replies and enable scheduled send for timing-sensitive messages. Use snooze for items you'll handle later and enable keyboard shortcuts to move faster. These reduce friction. Once these are in place, your inbox processing becomes a small, repeatable routine rather than a chaotic task. Finish by trimming. Archive any read messages so your inbox reflects only actionable items. Consider a weekly sweep to maintain zero or low count. Backup mail with Google Takeout and confirm your mobile app syncs only selected labels to save space. If something goes wrong, like missing mail or auto-archived messages, check your filters first, then verify storage quota and device sync settings. Correcting a single erroneous filter usually restores expected behavior and prevents repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.